Hello guys, we are here in Early Beach. Beautiful place. Wow. Nice spot. Plenty of bar and I'm here. Very low tide. Yan, napakaganda. Doon po kami. Ayun po yung boat namin na kulay blue. Doon kami, Antipodes, naka-angkor. Yan, dito kami ni Roger. Taking ice cream. Ice cream ba to? Ha? Ice cream. Ice cream. Good spot. Later going back to the boat. Making barbecue and grapefruit juice. Thank you so much Chris and Curry and Alex. Yan. Lot of beautiful people here and handsome. Good spot, nice place, good weather. Yan, salamat mga idol, mga kabayan. Thank you for watching. And like and share and comment. Good spot. Alrighty.